Hey guys, just like many of you, I'm sure that you want to understand how to optimize YouTube videos, and there's some great information out there, absolutely fantastic information out there from top SEO experts, from videos and just free information with actionable tips that actually do work. So for example, Sam O from Ahrefs has got great tips in this video. Brian Dean has got fantastic information and multiple videos that he has got, and there are many similar kind of influencers and SEO experts that can give you a huge amount of information and tips of things that are actually working, little things that can make a difference. Now the problem is there's so many of them and it's hard to go through them all. And no matter what kind of keywords you search for, like how to SEO YouTube videos, or how to rank a video on YouTube, or how do you do YouTube SEO for video, how do you do YouTube video SEO, can change your keywords around, you will still start to see all these different videos and tips coming up, and it's hard to know which ones are good and hard to know which ones are not. Well, fortunately what I've done is I've basically created a checklist, which is a curated collection of all the SEO tips for ranking YouTube videos that actually do work. Okay, so I've taken some things from Brian Dean, I've taken some things from Ahrefs, some things from Neil Patel, etc., from all of their free training, plus I've added some extra things from my own stuff as well. And what I've done is I've put this into little modules within this Chrome extension, which is basically a checklist maker here, a checklist tool here. So what you can do is you can click through and you can read the tips, and as you use them you can check them off. Okay, and when you're doing that you can see your progress score down here as well. So if you want to do start to finish, you can do that, and everything gets scored off as you go through it. So there's some top tips here. Okay, you don't have to use all of them, but it's there as a guide, and this is the stuff that actually does work for these guys who are ranking for videos on demand and who are driving like tens of thousands of views, hundreds of thousands of views at times to their videos every single time they release one. So this is good information. It's curated information. We've got additional SEO tips. We've got tips about improving the click-through rate, for tag optimization, for the metadata titles and descriptions, additional SEO tips, on-site optimization tactics so that you can drive traffic even with $1 a day YouTube ads. I've put in another strategy in here for you here. So everything is curated into one section, and the best thing is if you have some suggestions as well about stuff that works, you can pass them on to us and we can add them in here, because I've actually built a tool that will create these Chrome extensions, these checklists in real time, and I can update them in real time. So if you've got a really good tip that you think should be in here, let me know and I will add it in here. As long as it's a tip that works, then I can add it in here and everybody can benefit. So that although this stuff is absolutely fantastic, great training that you should watch and read, if you just want some actionable tips in a little tool that you can use, this YouTube SEO tool is perfect for that, so that it's curated all the best parts from all of these top experts. Plus I put in some stuff of my own as well that I know that works, that nobody else is teaching, and it's all in here and it's free to use. Thank you for watching.